Everyone wants to send the perfect survey. With a few tips, you can. In addition to best practices in designing and administering your survey, avoiding a few common mistakes can make all the difference. Here's a quick look at a few fixes. If you're copying and pasting content from Microsoft Word, from the web, or anywhere else, you might see some strange formatting. This can happen when the text includes more than just words, often a hidden script or code from the original source. Luckily, we've got a quick fix. Copy your text, then click Paste from the Word icon, and paste your text. You can also click on the source icon for full control over your formatting. Be sure you're using the right question type to get the answer or answers you need. If you're only looking for one answer, make sure you choose a single select question type, like radio button or dropdown. Use a multi-select question if you need more than one answer. A quick hint, circles are single select and squares are multi-select. When you're asking an open-ended question, make sure you give participants enough space to give a real answer. Set the height and width of your text box. Then decide how many characters to allow. If you're looking for a certain kind of answer, like an email address, set formatting rules to only accept appropriate responses. Be sure to preview your text boxes, and make sure the answers you're expecting will fit and will be visible to your participants. You can choose to display the character count remaining as an extra clue too. With so many options to customize your survey's appearance, you might just get a bit carried away. Preview your survey and share it with your team to make sure it's clear enough for everyone to read and understand. If your team can't follow along, there's a good chance your participants won't be able to either. Logic is always a good thing, right? Definitely. Skip logic, like branching or question display logic, lets you set rules to shorten your survey by directing participants to relevant questions. A great idea. However, wait until all of your questions are in before setting any rules. Setting logic should be the last thing you do. Otherwise, you might see this warning if you try to make any further adjustments. Of course, you can always disable QDL as needed by hovering over a question, selecting More, and choosing Question Display Logic. With these quick reminders, you're well on your way to sending the perfect survey.